Hello mga kasenso and welcome back again sa tong second round of First Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup. Our second game this evening to be played by Biowa Fishers versus Vega Welders. And of course mga kasenso, we are inviting all of you to watch our live here at CD Covered Court Plaza Luz. And you can also watch as Asenso Sports Channel Facebook page, Asenso Sports Channel Official in YouTube channel. So mga kasenso, stay tuned, get hype, and get excited in our second game this evening. I'm Ruby Gabrines, Asenso, Pagadian.
For tonight's triple header, our second game between Vega Welders and Biowa Fishers. Our starting five for Biowa Fishers. Wearing jersey number 12, Bebe Uba. Jersey number 34, Dwayne Andale. Jersey number 8, Rami Ibasan. Jersey number 27, Denmark Dan. Jersey number 7, Jason Bagundol. Coach Julius Andale. And now, our starting five for Vega Welders. Jersey number 28, Nino Buladaco. Jersey number 5, Reggie Nibal. Jersey number 3, Donggoy Singeda. Jersey number 7, Jay Ito. Jersey number 9, Juvelio Dacua. And Coach Kenneth Troy Singedas. Let's get ready to rumble!
Yes. Maayong gabi mga ka-asenso, no? Maayong gabi sa inyo, Antonan. Welcome sa itong second game for tonight's triple header. Biohua Fishers versus Vega Welders, mga ka-asenso. As we welcome you sa itong first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup. Maayong gabi kaninyon tanan. And of course, sa tanang naadiri karon sa Pagadian City Gym, maayong gabi isad kaninyo. As we have witnessed our opening tip-off earlier. Now ang bola nasa Biohua Fishers. Dwayne Andale for 3. No good. Rebound by Ibasan. Ibasan with the putback and the basket is good. And now back to our ball game. Ball possession will remain with the Vega Welders. Atong score 3-4 in favor of Biohua Fishers, mga ka-asenso. Now, Donggoy Singedas missing that 3-point attempt. And now, Bagundol can't make that layup. Jay Itom with the ball. Pass to Buladaco. Jan Buladaco missing that 3-point attempt. Rebound by Denmark Tan. Pass to Uba. Jesse Bagundol nailing that layup para sa Biohua Fishers, mga ka-asenso. Atong oras karon, 7 minutes and 8 seconds remaining sa tong first quarter. And ball stolen by the Biohua Fishers. Dwayne Andale with the transition layup. missing it, but there's a foul. So Dwayne Andale will go to the free throw line for the first time tonight, mga ka-Asenso. And now, Reggie Nival checks in for the first time tonight sa tuwang ball game para sa Vega Welders, mga ka-Asenso. Dwayne Andale nailing the second shot of the foul throws, mga ka-Asenso. Now, Nino Buladaco to Reggie Nival. Reggie Nival off the screen. Pass to Jay Itom. Jay Itom with a jumper. Basket is good, mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Dwayne Andale. Back to Bebe Uba. Bebe Uba to Jesse Bagundol. Cross-court pass. Dwayne Andale to Uba. Uba driving. Kick out to Bagundol. 15-footer. No good. Rebound by Nino Buladaco. Reggie to Nino Buladaco. Back to Reggie Nival for 3. Still warming up ang mga kamot ni Reggie Nival, mga ka-Asenso, no? Nang bola na kay Dwayne Andale. To Bebe Uba for 3. No good. Rebound by Dakua. Now Nino Buladaco. Missing the layup. Ibasan. Ball stolen by Dakua. Jay Itom, reverse layup. No good. Buladaco to Nival. Off the glass. Basket is good, mga ka-Asenso. Atong oras, 5 minutes and 25 seconds para sa tong first quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Atong scored, 7-all. Yes, maing gabi diya sa tong amigo, no? Lakay Stanley watching from Iligan City. Back to the ball game. Ibasan on the low post. Nearly stolen. Dwayne Andale to Taan. Denmark Taan using the glass. Yes, yes, yes. And maing gabi sa tong 53 live feed viewers, mga ka-Asenso. Remind ko lang po kayo, please don't forget to hit that follow button para sa itong FB page sa Asenso Sports Channel, who brings you the live coverage of our first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup. Ball stolen by Denmark Taan, and Bebe Uba nailing that layup, mga ka-Asenso. Na ang bola balik sa Vega Welders. Jay Itom for 3, missing it. Buladaco with offensive rebound, fade away. Still no good. Rebound by Bagundol. Pass to Ibasan. Ibasan for the easy layup. At Coach Pangkoy Singedas, tumawag po ng timeout, mga ka-Asenso, para sa Vega Welders, no? With only 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining sa tuwang first quarter. Ang atong score, 7-13. Leading po ng 5 points ang BioWa Fishers. And thank you po sa suporta sa City Council of Pagadian. Siyempre, headed by Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Balileng Fernandez. Daghan kayong salamat sa inyo, City Council of Pagadian. And of course, kay Vice Mayor Balileng Fernandez. Yes, yes, yes. Atong tropa diya, si Lakay Stanley. What's up, mananap? Yes, Taboy Motovlog. Paki-follow iyang Facebook page, subscribe sa iyang YouTube channel. And of course, na-share badge si Romelyn Mistal. Hello, watching from Davao City. Wow, maing gabi ni mo diya, ma'am. And back to our ball game, no? Buladaco with the floater, air ball. Bola karon na kay Dwayne Andale. Pass to Bebe Uba. Bebe Uba to Bagundol. To Denmark Tan. Cross-court pass to Dwayne Andale. Wow! Blind pass. Dwayne Andale slicing through the defense and a kick out to Bagundol, mga ka-Asenso, nailing that layup. Yes, yes, yes. John Lewinson Sona et Chavez pa shout out Team Purok sa Sag Boys watching from Marawi. Yes, assalamualaikum sa itong mga Maranao brothers diya. Maayong gabi ninyo tanan. Yes, si Rai Majesty shout out production team. Yes, si Direct Banjo and Direct Rai. Maayong gabi niya mga ma'am og sir nga maoy in charge sa tuwang broadcast tonight. Maayong gabi niyo diha. Back to our ball game, no. Earl Franco checks in for the Vega Welders, missing that jumper. Rebound, Reggie Nival. And the basket is good. Basket is good for Reggie Nival. Now, Bebe Uba. Miscommunication, mga ka-Asenso. Stolen by Earl Franco. Kick out to Reggie Nival. Corner, three-pointer. Step back. And there's a foul called against Denmark Taan. So, Reggie Nival will go to the free throw line for 3 free throws, mga ka-Asenso. And maayong gabi sa atong active na mga city councilors, no? Honorable Dicky Fernandez, Honorable Sam Tyraco, Honorable Jigger Ariosa, Honorable Marjorie Revelosero, Honorable Junjun Bahamunde, and Honorable Dodong Duterte. Maayong gabi ninyo diya, mga konsehal, konsehala. Maayong gabi ninyo, mga madam ug sir. That's it, Reggie Nival missing that third free throw. Now Bebe Uba with the ball. Pass to Jesse Bagundol. To Dwayne Andale for 3. Kablam! Dwayne Andale nailing the 3-point shot from the corner, mga ka-Asenso, no? His first 3-point shot of the ball game. Now Reggie Nival for another 3. Cannot answer back. Now rebound by Jesse Bagundol. Now Biohua Fishers on the run. Dwayne Andale to Bebe Uba. Corner 3. Kablam! At flaming po, nagkalayo ang mga kamot sa Biohua Fishers karon, mga ka-Asenso. Back-to-back 3 points from Dwayne Andale and Bebe Uba. Now Jay Itom slicing up the defense. Nailing that layup, mga ka-Asenso. With only 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining sa ito ang first quarter, no, mga ka-Asenso. Cross-court pass to Dwayne Andale. Another 3. Na this time missing it. Rebound by Nino Buladaco. Nino Buladaco with the ball. To Reggie Nival. Reggie Nival driving through the basket. Layup is no good. Another rebound for Jesse Bagundol. Bebe Uba to Denmark Tan, and there's a blocking foul called against Nino Buladaco. And now Leo Odin and Jose Labiaga checking in for the first time tonight para sa Vega Welders, mga ka-Asenso, no? And shout out and congratulations sa successful opening program and game sa Tampa Sports Lab D-League sa Baroy, Lanao del Norte. Shout out to Mayor Grelina Lim and Konsehal Junjun Ong. Siyempre, friends nato ang tanang ga-support sa to ang pinaka-pinalangga nga sport ang basketball. Yes, and Denmark Tan on the free throw line right now, mga ka-Asenso, no? Missing that first throw. Yes, and natin shout out, no, Romelyn Mistal, nasa sharer badge. Go, 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 Vega. At si Joy Eslit, Jay Itom for the go. Yes, yes, yes. And back to the ball game. Jose Labiaga driving. Pass deep inside to Leo Odin. Kick out to Reggie Nival. Nival missing that layup. Dakua with offensive rebound. Blocked by Ibasan. Now Jay Itom with the runner. No good. Bola nakuha ni Labiaga. Jose Labiaga with the floater off the glass. Basket is good. Now Ibasan on the other hand, missing that layup, and there's a foul mga ka-Asenso with only 9 seconds remaining sa tuwang first quarter. Now Ibasan first throw, basketed good for Rami Ibasan mga ka-Asenso. Ibasan with the second throw, nailing it both mga ka-Asenso no, para sa Biohua Fishers. Now at 8 seconds remaining on the clock. Labiaga, pass to Odin. Odin, block by Ibasan. And that was our first quarter mga ka-Asenso no. Atong score 16-24. 8-point lead by the Biohua Fishers mga ka-Asenso. Yes, and natay shout out no, Diba Mil, mayong gabi to all Pagadianons and to all viewers watching live from Dapitan City. Go, 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 Biohua Fishers. Yes, yes, yes. Maayong gabi ninyo diha, ma'am. And maayong gabi sa to mga live feed viewers karon. Kung gusto mo nga mabasa inyo mga pa-shoutouts, all you have to do is share this live feed mga ka-Asenso, no? Para mabasa natin yung mga pa-shoutouts, dapat namoy sharer badge. Now welcome back sa tuwang second game for tonight. Nata sa tuwang second quarter no, and Franz Manguba checks in for the first time tonight. Also Jason Marcaban. Pass to the slicing. John Leo Uban nailing that layup mga ka-Asenso. Now Libatog checks in the ball game for the Vega Welders with a turnaround fade away. Basket is good. Now John Leo Uba to Franz, to Arias. Arias for 3. No good mga ka-Asenso. Rebound by Jay Itom. Jay Itom. Pass to Reggie Nival. Reggie Nival. Wow. Turnaround dribble. And now ball stolen by Jason Marcaban mga ka-Asenso. Now Franz Mangubat with the ball. Pass to John Leo Uba. John Leo Uba. Back to Franz Mangubat. Franz Mangubat stolen by Libatog. And the ball will remain with Vega Welders mga ka-Asenso. Atong oras 8 minutes and 43 seconds remaining sa atong second quarter mga ka-Asenso. With only 8-point lead, leading pa rin ang Biohua Fishers against Vega Welders. Now, bola na kay Jay Itom. Jay Itom driving towards the basket. Loses the handles. Franz Mangubat on the run to RC. Back to Mangubat. Mangubat layup. And it's good mga ka-Asenso. Now, bola na kay Reggie Nival. Reggie Nival to Jose Labiaga. Jose Labiaga to Nival. Nival with the drive. Bola nakuha ni Itom. Jay Itom. Missing that 17-footer. Ball will remain. Ball will go with Biohua Fishers mga ka-Asenso. Now Franz Mangubat with the ball. Pass to John Leo Uba calling the play. Manggubat. Back to Uba. John Leo Uba for 3. 27-footer, no good. RCC Mafranca with the putback. Counted at may kasama pang foul mga kasenso. So RCC Mafranca will go to the free throw line with the bonus throw mga kasenso. RCC Mafranca bonus throw, missing it mga kasenso. Rebound by Nilyama. And now Jose Labiaga off the screen of Jay Itom, turn around. Pass to Jay Itom for the layup and there's a foul mga kasenso. Jay Itom missing the first throw mga ka-Asenso. Second throw, basket is good. Now Nino Buladaco checks back in for Reggie Nival para sa Vega Welders mga ka-Asenso. Pass to Jason Marcaban. Jason Marcaban, baseline low post, back to John Leo Uba. And a miscommunication by the Biowa Fishers, mga ka-Asenso, no? Turnover, ball will go to Vega Welders, mga ka-Asenso. Yes, another type of shout-outs, no? Kay Hervey Lourdes Villanueva Uba. Shout out ko sa second game players Vega and Biohua, especially sa ako mga manghud Uba brothers of Biohua team. Watching live from Jordan. Yes, maing gabi ini mo ma'am. And si Joy Eslit, nice one, Idol J. Itom. And the ball will go back to Biohua Fishers, mga ka-Asenso. Franz Manggubat with the ball to Jason Marcaban. Jason Marcaban to John Leo Uba. And there's a kickball violation. Franz Manggubat for 3, blocked by Jay Itom. And it will remain with Biohua Fishers, mga ka-Asenso, with only 9 seconds on the shot clock, mga ka-Asenso. Now John Leo Uba, pass to Bagubat, to Arias for the lay-in. Basket is good, mga ka-Asenso. Now Nino Buladaco on the run, nearly loses the grip. And there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso, no? RCC Mafranca. Now ball will remain with Vega Welders with only 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining sa tuwang second quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Now Jose Labiaga driving. Pass to Libatog. Can't contain the ball. And another turnover for Vega Welders. And now Earl Franco will check back in the ball game, mga ka-Asenso, no? And now John Leo Uba with the ball. Jason Marcaban. Jason Marcaban to John Leo Uba. Back to Jason. Nearly loses it. Heavily guarded by Libatog. Alvin Arias driving and the layup blocked, but there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. And now Alvin Arias on the free throw line. Missing the first throw, mga ka-Asenso. So Alvin Arias missing both free throws, no, para sa Viowa Fishers, mga ka-Asenso. Na ang bola na kay Jose Labiaga. Jose Labiaga to Jay Eatum. Jay Eatum slicing from the baseline. Offensive rebound by Franco. And the putback is good, mga ka-Asenso. Na bola na kay John Leo Uba. Pass to Franz Manggubat. Jason Marcaban missing that jumper, mga ka-Asenso. A rebound by Jose Labiaga. Nino Buladaco missing that three-pointer. The Alvin Arias on the run. Driving towards the basket, no good. Jay Eatum to Jose Labiaga. To Libatog. Libatog from the baseline. Can't make it, but there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. Foul on the floor. Ball possession will remain with the Vega Welders, mga ka-Asenso. Now Asnawi Sultan and Prieto will check in for the first time tonight para sa Vega Welders, mga ka-Asenso. And another turnover para sa Vega Welders, mga ka-Asenso, no? Bola na kay Alvin Arias. To Franz Manggubat. To Jason Marcaban on the paint. And the lay-in is good, mga ka-Asenso. Nino Buladaco to Earl Franco to Sultan with the floater. No good. Bola nakuha ni Nino Buladaco and there's a foul called against Alvin Arias, mga ka-Asenso. Nino Buladaco with the ball to Prieto. Prieto driving towards the basket. No good. Ball stolen by the Fishers. Alvin Arias on the layup. Basket is good at may kasama pang foul, mga ka-Asenso. Yes, and maing gabi diya, no? Sa team owners, team managers, coaching staff, sa AJL Laborers, si Sir Jeremy Lui is watching tonight. Maing gabi ni mo diya, sir. Alvin Arias nailing that bonus throw, mga ka-Asenso, no? Para sa Viowa Fishers. Nang bola na kay Earl Franco. Driving towards the basket. And ball stolen again by John Leo Uba. And there's a referee timeout, mga ka-Asenso. And once again, no, mayong gabi sa atong active nga mga city councilors. Honorable Dicky Fernandez, Honorable Tyra Co, Honorable Jigger Ariosa, Honorable Marjorie Revoluciero, Honorable Junjun Bahamunde, and Honorable Dodong Duterte. Maayong gabi ninyo mga ma'am o sir. And syempre, thank you sa support sa City Council of Pagadian, headed by our Vice Mayor, Honorable Boy Baleleng Fernandez. And now, back to our ball game, no, mga kasenso. With only 3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining sa tuwang second quarter. Bola nasa Biowa Fishers. Jason Marcaban, turnaround. Lay-in is good, mga kasenso, para kay Jason Marcaban. With a too small flex, mga kasenso, no? Now, Joe Labiaga to Jay Itom. Jay Itom underneath the basket. Basket is good, mga kasenso, para kay Jay Itom. Now, John Leo Uba to Jason Marcaban. On the low post. Fade away. Missing it. Rebound by Reggie Nival. Reggie Nival to Jose Labiaga. Jose Labiaga with the ball. Crossover. Pass to Reggie Nival. Reggie Nival for 3. Missing it. Ball will remain with Vega Welders, mga kasenso. Earl Franco to Sultan. Sultan nailing that jump shot, mga kasenso. Now John Leo Uba with the ball. calling the play of the RC Semafranca screen. Pass to Franz Mangubat. 4-3. Can't make it. And there's a shot clock violation called against Biohua Fishers, mga ka-asenso, no? Atong oras, 1 minute and 33 seconds remaining sa tuwang second quarter, mga ka-asenso. Now Labiaga with the ball. Tunival. Stolen by Jay Itom. Jay Itom driving towards the basket. Layup is good. Now Alvin Arias. Alvin Arias on the open court. No. Kick out to John Leo Uba. To Manggubat. Manggubat to Jason Marcaban. Jason Marcaban driving towards the baseline. Offensive rebound. Manggubat with a jumper. Can't make it. Arias with a putback. At may kasama pang foul, mga ka-asenso. Alvin Arias will go to the free throw line for the bonus throw. Arias nailing that bonus throw, mga ka-asenso, with only 39 seconds remaining sa tuwang first half. Yeah, natay pa shout out, no? Joy Aslit. Whoa, hustle hard, Jay. Yes, yes. And maayong gabi di ay sa tuwang 60 live feed viewers, mga ka-asenso. And shoutouts di ay sa muwang shoutouts di ay sa Greenwich and sa Max Fried Chicken Pagadian branch, no? Lami kay mong panihapon. Daghan kayong salamat. And shoutouts and congratulations sa successful opening program sa games sa Tampa Sports Lab D-League sa Baroy, Lanao del Norte. Yes, shout out to Mayor Grelina Lim and Konsehal Junjun Ong. Yes, yes, yes. And shout out kay Gaunsa Cagao. Okay, Joy Aslit watching from Osami City. Shout out Ate Masyang. Yes, yes. And parami pa rin ang parami, no? Ang ating mga viewers dito sa Pagadian City Gym. Mga ka-asenso, kung wa mo ilingaw karon sa inyong Saturday night, pwede mo muanhi dire because tonight we're holding on a triple header. And napalang ta sa tong second game. So napay mga bakante, napay mga vacant seats, mga ka-asenso. And don't forget, free admission. Free admission ang viewing sa tong first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup, mga ka-asenso. Siyempre, brought to us by Mayor Samico and Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Baleleng Fernandez. And now back to our ball game with 38.5 seconds remaining sa tuwang second quarter. Now Joe Labiaga to Jay Itum from the baseline. And there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. So Jay Itum will go to the free throw line. Yes, and natay pa-shout out kay John Lewinson Sona et Chavez. Pa-shout out kay Boss Rodel Perez. Ay, tsaka kay Boss Ervin Lumapas. Tessie Sonsona, birthday nilang tulo karon. Happy birthday ninyo. Yes, yes, yes. And now Jay Itom nailing the second throw, mga ka-Asenso. And now back to our ball game. Bola sa Viowa Fishers. Inbound, bola na kay Franz Mangubat. Ball deflected and will remain with Viowa Fishers. Now bola na kay Jason Marcaban. To the cutting Alvin Arias. And the layup is good, mga ka-Asenso. With only 13 seconds on the clock remaining. Ball stolen by John Leo Uba. And RC Simafranca nailing that layup. And that was our second quarter, no, mga ka-Asenso. Now stay tuned. We'll be back for our third quarter. Yes, yes, yes. Francis Dalabatam, Boss Rudy, pa wash out. Tiwak Boys, niyami diri sulod sa gym. Yes, yes, yes. Sa mga live viewers nato diri sa gym, standby lang mo. We'll be back for our third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Matik.
Mr. Burger, fight, fight, fight!
And now, back to our ball game mga ka-Asenso, no? Welcome sa tong third quarter. Sa tong second game for our triple header tonight between Biowa Fishers and Vega Welders mga ka-Asenso. At bahagya na pong lumalawak ang kalamangan ng Biowa Fishers mga ka-Asenso. Denmark Taan with the layup, basket is good mga ka-Asenso. Yes, and natay shout out no. Gikan kang Dende Archival, shout out sa Team Biohua sa number 27, Taan lang sa Kalam. Yes, and syempre kang Dende Archival, yapon go 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 Taan, Bagundol and Ibasan lang sa Kalam. Ug kay Diva Mil. Pa-shout out ko nila Larissa Dagpin ug Laura Maureen Dagpin watching live all the way from Barcelona. Yes, yes. Atong score 28-48. 20-point lead by the Biohua Fishers mga ka-Asenso. Denmark Taan with a reverse layup. Foul counted mga ka-Asenso. Denmark Tan will go back to the free throw line for the bonus throw mga ka-Asenso. And Larissa May Dinapo Dagpin, shout out sa hari ng block and rebound Ibasa number 8, watching all the way from Barcelona, Spain. Wow! Narito yung mga live feed viewers from abroad. Maayong gabiin nyo diha. I hope you're enjoying our first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup. Triple header for tonight, mga ka-Asenso, no? Now, bola na sa Vega Welders. Libatog on the low post. Maneuvering his move. And ball stolen. Ball deflected, and the ball will remain with Vega Welders mga ka-Asenso. Now, bola na kay Bebe Uba. Bebe Uba off the screen. Sidestep. Paso Denmark Taan to Bagundol. Bagundol to Uba. Uba driving. And a turnover para sa Biohua Fishers mga ka-Asenso. Reggie Nival to Buladako, back to Nival. Reggie Nival for 3, no good. Rebound nakuha ni Denmark Taan. Denmark Taan to Bebe Uba. To Jesse Bagundol. Bagundol from the baseline. Fake pass to Ibasan. Ibasan with a fade away. No good but may foul mga ka-Asenso. And now Ibasan shooting 2 free throws. First free throw is good. Yes, and sa mga live feed viewers nato diha karon, if you want nga mabasa nato ang inyuhang mga pa-shout out, all you need to do is share this live feed mga ka-Asenso, no? Para namoy sharer badge. Namoy sharer badge, basahon nato ang inyong mga comment, inyong mga pa-shout out. And there's a foul called against Denmark Taan. Ball possession will remain with Vega Welders. And now Jose Labiaga will check back in para sa Vega Welders. Reggie Nival will take a breather mga ka-Asenso. Bola sa Welders. Bola na kay Jose Labiaga to Earl Franco. Earl Franco with a fake. Driving towards the basket. Pass to Dakua. To Franco. Franco jumper, no good. Rebound by Jesse Bagundol. Bola na kay Uba. Pass to Denmark Taan. Driving towards the basket. And there's a foul. Denmark Taan will go back to the free throw line, mga ka-Asenso. Shooting 2 free throws. Yes, and Taan good with the first throw, mga ka-Asenso. And at a shout out no, Hana May Mabugnon Ovilio. Pa-shout out from Aurora. Good luck, Team Chikis, Kervin Ovilio. Yes, yes, yes. Now Nino Buladaco driving towards the basket. Jumper, no good. And the Vega Welders are struggling for a basket. And there's a foul called against Libatog. Now Libatog will check out as Nawi Sultan will check in for the Vega Welders, mga ka-Asenso. At lumobo na po ang kalamangan ng Biohua Fishers. 25-point lead by the Biohua Fishers, mga ka-Asenso. Now Dwayne Andale for 3. No good. Rebound by Denmark Taan. Ibasan for the putback, mga ka-Asenso. Earl Franco driving from the baseline. Kick out to Buladaco to Joe Labiaga. Missing the layup. Rebound by Ibasan. Now Bebe Uba. Bebe Uba. Pass to Andale. To the cutting Ibasan. Ball stolen. Now Nino Buladaco. Ball stolen again. Recovered by Bebe Uba and there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. Now, bola na kay Bebe Uba. Paso Andale to Denmark Taan. Kick out to Andale. And there's a shot clock violation, mga ka-Asenso, no, na tinawag against Biohua Fishers. So ball possession will go back with the Vega Welders, mga ka-Asenso. Now, Juvelio Dakua with a jumper, no good. Rebound by Bagundol. Uba with the easy layup. And now, Coach Pangkoy Singedas, kailangan tumawag ng timeout. With our time remaining, 2 minutes and 48 seconds, atong score, 28-57. 29-point lead by the Biohua Fishers, mga ka-Asenso. Na back to the ball game. Bola sa Vega Welders, mga ka-Asenso. Now Jose Labiaga Pass to Asnawi Sultan underneath the basket. Layup is good mga ka-Asenso. Andale to Uba. To Bagundol. Jesse Bagundol. To the cutting Denmark Taan. Missing the jumper. Rebound by Buladako. To Labiaga. Ball stolen by Andale. Pass to Bebe Uba. Bebe Uba with the layup. Basket is good. And now, ball stolen by the Vega Welders. Buladako to Asnawi Sultan. Sultan with a jumper, missing it. Rebound by Buladako. Can't make the layup. Now Dakua to Buladako. To Sultan. Floaters, still missing it. Jay Itom, layup at may foul mga ka-Asenso. Even with the absence of the center of Biowa Fishers sa si Ibasan, the Vega Welders are really struggling to make a basket, mga ka-Asenso. And now, Carlo Genya checks in for the ball game for the first time tonight para sa Biowa Fishers, mga ka-Asenso. And Carlo Genya missing that three-point shot. Andale to Bagundol. The ball na kay Dakua with only 41 seconds remaining sa itong third quarter. Labiaga for 3. Kablam! Labiaga finally nails that three-point shot para sa Vega Welders, mga ka-Asenso. The ball na kay Andale. To Carlo Genya. Ball will remain with the Biowa Fishers, mga ka-Asenso, with 9.1 seconds remaining sa itong third quarter. Ball na kay Denmark Taan. To Genya, 1 second on the shot clock. And there's 3.5 seconds remaining sa itong third quarter. Ball possession will go to the Vega Welders, mga ka-Asenso. Now, Nino Buladako with the runner. Can't make it, mga ka-Asenso. And that was our third quarter, mga ka-Asenso, for tonight's second game between Biowa Fishers and Vega Welders, mga ka-Asenso. And stay tuned, no? Napatay third game. Ang atong third game is between Chiquis Triple J Monsters and Mr. Burger Triple Patties, mga ka-Asenso. And now, welcome sa tong fourth and final quarter, no? Between Vega Welders and Biawa Fishers. Jay Itom driving and blocked by Jason Marcaban, mga ka-asenso. Alvin Arias to Jason Marcaban. Ball stolen by Jay Itom. Pass to Reggie Nival. Reggie Nival to Buladako. Reverse layup. Layup is no good. And there's a foul, mga ka-asenso, committed by Franz Manggubat. Now bola sa Vega Welders. Libatog to Buladako. Buladako's blocked. Na bola sa Biawa Fishers. And can't handle the ball, so there's a turnover para sa Biawa Fishers. Ball will go with the Vega Welders, mga ka-asenso. Libatog with the layup. Basket is good. Junel Libatog nailing that layup. Now John Leo Uba with the ball para sa Biawa Fishers off the Arias screen. Pass to Genya. To Manggubat. Manggubat. Jumper, no good. Rebound by Nival. To Buladako. Buladako with the easy layup. At may kamalasang iniinda. Ito si Nino Buladako, mga ka-asenso, no? Fourth missed layup para kay Buladako. And Carlo Genya for 3, no good. Offensive rebound by Jason Marcaban. Another 3-point attempt by Genya. Still can't make it. And rebound by Jay Itom. Now Jay Itom with the ball. Driving towards the basket. Now finally, Nino Buladako nailing that layup. With our time remaining, 7 minutes and 47 seconds sa tuwang fourth and final quarter. Manggubat with the ball and there's a foul called against Jay Itom. Alvin Arias with the ball. Ball stolen by Nino Buladako. And now, ball recovered by Owa. Manggubat to Marcaban. Marcaban. Good with the lay-in, mga ka-asenso. Now Sultan missing the layup. Pero may foul, mga ka-asenso. Sultan, first throw. No good, mga ka-asenso. Sultan, second throw. Nails it. John Leo Uba with the ball. 3-point attempt. Can't make it. Offensive rebound by Arias. Arias to Marcaban for the easy layup. Now Reggie Nival. Pass to Buladako to Sultan. To Libatog and ball stolen again. Now Jason Marcaban for the easy layup, mga ka-asenso. Libatog, power move. And the layup was good. Now bola na kay Franz Manggubat. To Alvin Arias. Alvin Arias. And there's a foul called against Judel Libatog. Bola na kay John Leo Uba. John Leo Uba driving towards the basket. Drop pass to Manggubat. A reverse layup is good, mga ka-Asenso. Now Jay Itom for 3. No good. Bola nakuha ni Manggubat to Uba. Uba with the layup. And there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. John Leo Uba missing the first throw, mga ka-Asenso, para sa Biowa Fishers. And fouled out na po si Nino Buladaco, mga ka-Asenso, no? So Joe Labiaga will check in para sa Vega Welders. And John Leo Uba missing both free throws, mga ka-Asenso. Na ang bola na kay Libatog. Libatog on the low post. Backing out, pass to Labiaga, to Itom, to Nival. Nival for 3. Can't make it, mga ka-Asenso. And Sultan can't make the pass to Libatog. Ball stolen by Manggubat to Genya. Genya for 3. Kablam! On the other hand, Labiaga for the easy layup. And a 30-point lead by Biowa Fishers, mga ka-Asenso. And there's a foul. Called against Libatog, mga ka-Asenso. No, with only 4 minutes and 26 seconds remaining sa tuwang fourth and final quarter. Atong score, 42-70, mga ka-Asenso. And a timeout was called by Coach Pangkoy Singedas, mga ka-Asenso, no? Now back to the ball game. Bola na kay Jason Marcaban to Genya. Pass to John Leo Uba, stolen by Jose Labiaga. Labiaga for the easy layup, mga ka-Asenso. John Leo Uba to Marcaban, to Arias. Arias with a jumper, no good. Rebound by Sultan. Stolen by Manggubat. Manggubat for the layup. Missing it. And nakuha ni Jose Labiaga to Dakua. Dakua underneath the basket. Dakua nails the jumper, mga ka-Asenso. And ang bola, karon na kay John Leo Uba, mga ka-Asenso. Now Carlo Genya, 4-3. Missing it. Rebound by Dakua. Jose Labiaga nagmamadali. Last touch by Vega Welders. And now John Leo Uba with the layup. Now Jay Ito on the other hand, 3-point shot, no good. Rebound by Carlo Genya. As we are approaching our final 2 minutes of the ball game. Lamang po ng 26 points ang Biohua Fishers, mga kasenso. John Leo Uba driving. Jason Marcaban with a jumper, no good. Rebound by Jovelio Dakua. Pass to Labiaga. Labiaga, 4-3. Missing it. Asnawi Sultan with the offensive rebound and the putback. A bola na kay Jason Marcaban. To Arias. Arias driving, crossover. And there's a foul called against Asnawi Sultan, mga asenso. At tumawag po ng timeout si Coach Pankoy Singedas para sa Vega Welders. With our time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds. Atong score, 48-74. Biohua Fishers with a 24-point lead, mga kasenso. Back in the ball game. Alvin Arias shooting 2 free throws, mga ka-asenso. And there's a lay-in violation. Ball will go back to Vega Welders. Navailoses shooting for 3, no good. At parami ng parami ating live viewers, no, diri sa ato ang Pagadian City Gym. Syempre, triple header ta tonight. Atong third game between Chiquis Triple J Monsters and Mr. Burger Triple Patties, mga ka-asenso. Now Carlo Genya missing the 3-point attempt. Now bola na kay Vailoses para sa Vega Welders. Layup is good, mga kasenso. Bola sa Biohua Fishers. Now Dakua with the ball. Dakua with the putback, mga ka-asenso. Now Jason Marcaban with the ball to Simafranca. Simafranca driving. Layup. Layup is good para kay Simafranca, mga ka-asenso. Milyama for 3. No good, mga kasenso, no? Rebound by Manggubat. And the Viowa Fishers will wind the clock down, mga ka-asenso, no? They will win tonight against Vega Welders. At to score 54-76. Viowa Fishers by 22 points, mga ka-asenso. Now stay tuned para sa tong third game, mga ka-asenso, no? Between Triple J, Chickies Triple J Monsters and Mr. Burger Triple Patties, mga ka-asenso. We'll be back shortly.
Hello mga kasenso, welcome back. And of course, we are done in our second game of First Mayor Samico Ascenso Business Cup this evening. And our second game played by Viowa Fishers versus Vega Welders. Score 76-56 in favor of Viowa Fishers. And as you can see mga kasenso, nasa ko ang kilid karon ng ilang player of the game, Sir Arya. Sir, maayong gabi.
Gabi, ma'am.
Sir, unsa man imo ang nabati nga ikaw may nahimong best or player of the game sa Viowa Fishers?
Siyempre, ma'am, nagpasalamat ko kay God ug sa akong teammates nga gihatag po nilang nga ilang bis nga makadaog mi karon. Pasalamat po ko sa among bossing ug sa mga supporters na ko sa kilid. Salamat kayo.
Ug sir, unsa man imuhang na-feel or unsa man ang imuhang gibati sa inyong kaatbang karon sa Vega Welders?
Grabe ilang pagpaningkamot po, mamay. Nakita gyud nato sa ilaha nga gihatag po nila ilang bis nga gitapat sa mo ug nakuha gyud namo ang kadaogan siyempre.
Yes, and of course, as you can see, sir, no, sa first half pa lang daan, apas-apas yun ang score sa Vega Welders and of course sa Viowa Fishers. So in the second half, grabe og dako na gid ang inyong labaw sa Vega Welders. So sir, this is your time to invite your friends, families, and of course, your supporters sa Viowa Fishers.
Mga fans, siyempre sa mga Auroranon nga nilantaw karon sa live sa Ascenso Sports Channel. Sa sunod na mong game, minatunta nga lantaw mo sa among mga umaabot nga games. Og salamat sa inyong mga pagsuporta sa among team. Labi na sa among mga nanglaag karon diri sa Pagadian. Pwede mo. Great, ma'am. Great day ko sa akong kuan, pamilya sa Aurora. Akong nanay tatay sa mga igsoon og sa team D101, siyempre akong mga teammates sila Coach Arsenal, Coach Big Bogart Bihag og sa duha na ko kakauban karon sila Alcos, Kervin Obilio og sa akong uyab na Permente og taga-Kabilinan nga karon naa dire sig pangatawa. Salamat nga nianhi mo karon dire. Sa wala na ko na mention sa Aurora, sunod pohon kung kaluyan ba best player. Pamarta ma'am.
Daghang kay salamat Sir Arias. Congratulations sa imuha og sa tibok Bayowa Fishers. Daghang salamat Sir ug maayong gabi pag-usap. So mga ka-Asenso no, again we are done in our second game this evening, Bayowa Fishers versus the Vega Wilders. Mga ka-Asenso, shout out ta sa ako ang Blush Spa and Aesthetic family owned by Ate Ma'am Isa Kimada. And of course, to all youth organization of Pagaden City, you are invited and encouraged to participate and be part of the bloodletting program of the 75th anniversary of Philippine Red Cross here at City Covered Court on April 15, 2023. Mga ka-Asenso, stay tuned, get hype, and get excited in our third game this evening to be played by Chiquis Triple J Monster versus Mr. Burger Triple Patties. I'm Ruby Gabrines, Asenso, Pagadian.